Hey everybody, welcome back to Madison County Live. We have a special guest this week, the PIO from the Madison County Health Department. Welcome, Kelley.
Hi, Randy. Thanks for making me always feel so welcome here.
Love you're very welcome. We're glad to have you. I know you have some stuff going on and items to discuss going on now at the Madison County Health Department. So I'll basically turn it over to you to proceed.
Okay, that's a dangerous thing to do.
Oh, you know your information.
Well, first of all, I want to remind people that we do have some cribs here at the Madison County Health Department. You can contact the HANDS program, and the number to call is 626-4263. If you need a crib for a new special arrival at your home, or if you have a family member who has a new baby who could use a new and safe crib, you can call this number and the folks there can give you a safe sleep assessment. Cool. And they can tell you how to come by and pick up a free-to-you safe crib for your new baby. That
is fantastic. I love that program. I think that is the greatest thing going right now. That is fantastic. Well, great for expectant mothers.
Absolutely, and thank you for helping us promote that.
We do our best.
Also, I've talked about our disease education here at the health department a couple times, but now it's getting closer to January, and folks are wanting to make those New Year's resolutions, and a lot of us are working on our weight and our health, and we want people to be able to prevent and avoid getting diabetes. But if you already have a diagnosis of diabetes, and you want to just live healthy with that diabetes diagnosis, we have two programs. So the first is Healthy Living with Diabetes, and they have a studio set up in our offices at Berea. And so they can do these classes virtually, and we can be safe during COVID-19.
Oh, excellent. That's fantastic.
And the number to call for that one is 859-228-2044.
Okay.
That is a Berea number, but anybody that's interested, if you have any questions or if you want to go ahead and get registered, you can call 859-228-2044, and they can answer your questions and get you signed up. And then the diabetes prevention program is headed up by Laura Nagel.
Right.
And if you're interested in that, it's all online, and she's a great coach to take you through this program. It lasts all year, so you check in with her. I think it's once a week for a while, and then maybe you taper off to every other week. But check that out, and to register for that program, you can email her. And we'll put up her email address here.
Right. Yep.
It's Laura M. Nagel, Nagle, at ky.gov.
Excellent. That's fantastic. And Kelley, I know all this information, you're all going to have it on Facebook too, so make sure you follow you on Twitter and Facebook, and of course the website will have all this pertinent information as well.
Absolutely. Keep following us.
Absolutely.
I think you said that you shared something that we announced.
Yes.
First Christian Church.
Yes.
Gave us a donation. And we want to thank them so much for that. Jennifer Brubaker brought this to our attention, and we shared that. So they shared some goods. They donated some goods to us. And those go to folks who are having a challenging time in their quarantine or possibly in their isolation regarded to COVID-19. Right. So we're very, very thankful for that.
So you take those donations all the time, correct?
Yes.
So what are some of the things we can donate, Kelley?
I think there were paper goods and non-perishable food items.
Right.
The hand wipes and sanitizers.
Yes.
So I'm afraid I don't have Jennifer Brubaker's number right here with me and off the top of my head. Right. But you can call the health department and ask for her. or heck, ask for me. I'll get you in contact with her.
That's fantastic. Yeah, I noticed that picture had lots of great, good stuff in it.
Yes, yes. So it's challenging for some of the folks who may live alone, or who have other challenges in their lives. So we're really happy about that.
Yeah, that was a fantastic donation, and you all can do that anytime. Yeah, absolutely. Yes. Absolutely. And of course, like you mentioned before we went on the show, always do what I call the big three. And what are those?
That's your job. You're supposed to name the big three.
Okay, here I go. All right. Wear your mask, wash your hands very often, and maintain that 6 foot or more physical distancing. Did I get them?
Absolutely. That's the big three. But you know me, I'm going to add some more to that.
Go ahead.
Avoid those large gatherings and crowded places, and avoid close contact with people who are sick. That should be kind of an obvious one.
Sure.
Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Cover that cough or sneeze with a tissue or your elbow, not with your hands.
Right.
And disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces.
Yes.
Using a household cleaning spray or disinfecting wipe.
Right.
Now, the Kentucky COVID-19.ky.gov website has some great information.
Yes, absolutely. And of course, we'll be showing that throughout the program. And Kelley, I have heard from some women that the advantages of wearing your mask is that I guess the women are saving a bunch of money on lipstick.
Well, yeah, I guess that's one good thing about wearing. Another one of the good things about wearing a mask. But yeah, the inside of mine I'm like, why do I keep putting lipstick on?
I know.
Because it's on the inside of my mask.
I know, and you know what I do? I put on cologne when I do online virtual. I don't know why. I mean,
I thought you were going to say what you did when you put on your lipstick.
No. Or
just check.
When you have lunch, and you never have to worry about your breath smelling by what you have. So, while you're shopping local and shopping small and eating order and take out restaurant stuff, you don't have to worry about it.
That's right. There you go. Another advantage.
Absolutely. Kelley, is that all you got for us this week?
That's all I've got for today.
All right. Kelley, thanks for joining us. And folks, we'll be right back with more Madison County Live.